Hello students, sorry for delay for this video. Actually my laptop was not working and many other issues were there. So again sorry for the delay, and now I have purchased my new laptop. It's working and everything is okay now. So now I will continue making the videos. So without wasting time, let's start and let me come to the point. And in this video, I am going to discuss the object-oriented principles. Object-oriented principles, there are four. First, abstraction. Second, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So in this video, I'm going to discuss only abstraction and encapsulation. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. So you can see on the screen, I have written four object-oriented principles: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So first of all, I'm going to start discussing abstraction. So please see, this is the definition of abstraction. Abstraction representing the essential features of an object without getting involved with the internal complexity. Means what? Abstraction is a method, is a way to represent an object, representing in such a way that only essential features of that object will be represented, and there is no need to involve with the internal functioning or internal complexity of that object. Means what? कि abstraction किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करने का वो तरीका है, वो मेथड है जिसमें हम ऑब्जेक्ट को ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कि उसके सिर्फ एसेंशियल फीचर्स रिप्रेजेंट हो, हमें उसके इंटरनल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी से, इंटरनल फंक्शनैलिटी से इंटरेक्ट ना होना पड़े, इन्वॉल्व ना होना पड़े. Okay, for example, see, I'm going to show you the example. You can see, when we drive a car, we do not get involved with internal function. We use only essential features like steering, brake, gear, horn, etc. मतलब जब भी हम कोई कार ड्राइव करते हैं तो हमें कार के इंटरनल फंक्शन से कोई मतलब नहीं रहता है. कार को ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है कि हमें उसके इंटरनल फंक्शनिंग में इंजन के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, how that engine is working, or how the fuel is going, or what is the mechanism of engine. There is no need to involve with that. The car has been represented in such a way that we use only essential features of that object. Essential features of that car. Here, essential features of the car are what? Steering, gear, brake, horn, etc. So I hope abstraction is clear. Again, I'm repeating in simple language. Abstraction is a method or a way to represent an object in such a way that only essential features will be represented without getting involved with the internal complexity. Okay, so this is an example of abstraction when we drive a car. Okay, now coming to the next, you can make this notes. You can write in your copy the definition. It will be useful for you. You can make notes from this video. Now second is what? Encapsulation. Encapsulation means what? Encapsulation means wrapping or binding something into one unit. It's called encapsulation. Okay, have you seen the capsule medicine? Actually what happens, that medicine is encapsulated, is wrapped within that two caps of the capsules. So this process is called encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding something into one unit. So here in program, what we bind in the sense of program, in the case, what we bind in the program, what we wrap in the program. Here we wrap the variables and functions into one unit. What is that unit? That unit is class. The binding or wrapping variables and functions into one unit is called encapsulation. मतलब variables को और functions को एक unit में, मतलब class में bind करने का जो process है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? encapsulation करते हैं. So you can see this example. Real world example is what? Capsule. And you can see this example. In class ABC, we have wrapped variables A, B and functions F1 and F2. So this is called encapsulation. Encapsulation means what? Wrapping or binding variables and functions into one unit. What is that unit? In which unit? Class is called encapsulation. So, okay. So I hope it is clear. In the next video, I will discuss about REST 2 object oriented principles, that are what? Inheritance and polymorphism. So for this video, this much only. Thank you. And you can make the notes from this video. You can write these things, these definitions properly by pausing this video. So for this video, this much only. Thank you. Bye.